Welcome to Creative Tien channel. Today I'm going to hand knit a piano scarf. I see a lot of piano scarves on internet, but they are all crocheted, so I try to make a knitting version. My idea is to use 1x1 ribbon throughout, so it is reversible and it will not curl. And here is the basic chart. Basically, we try to do the picture knitting. And there are several different ways to do it. Here I try to carry 2 color yarns around the black keys, so I don't have to cut the yarns. For an adult size scarf, you will need at least 40 stitches cast on. My sample here is smaller. I use 36 stitches, and you'll be fine for a kid's scarf. Because this is 2x2 ribbon, so everything is more narrow. You can always knit a sample and calculate the length you like. So the red dashed line shows the area I carry 2 color yarns. I start from the bottom right, and I knit the black keys until about halfway, and I switch to the white yarn. But when I'm knitting, I still carry the other yarn. So the first row will be from right to the left, and the next row will turn and start with the white yarn for the first half part, and then black yarn for the second half part. And the third row, it will be all black yarn, but we still carry white yarn below. And then we turn over, we'll repeat, starting with white yarn, and then halfway change to black. And then we'll keep repeating that. We'll do half row of black and half row of white. And because we are at the other end, so we want to carry both yarn back to the right side. That's why I have 1 extra row that's actually white color yarn, but carrying the black color yarn to the right. And it's the same way with the 1 line between the 2 black keys and 3 black keys. We need 1 row of black, but still carrying the white, and then need 1 row of white, carrying the black. So here I box the area I carry both color yarns. And in between those boxed area, I want to carry both yarns going up. So I will knit both colors for the edge stitch on the side with the black keys. So that's the basic concept. So I have 2 color yarns, worsted weight, and I do the long tail cast on. You can decide how many stitches you want. Here I use 36 stitches. After cast on, I will start doing the 1x1 knitting. That's 1 stitch knit, 1 stitch purl, and keep repeating that. I continue knitting the 1x1 ribbon for about 2 or 3 rows, and then I start to knit the black key. And here I start carrying both yarns. To knit with both yarn, I want to hide the inactive yarn in between, so you kind of have to twist it or make sure the inactive yarn is on top of the active one, so it gets caught in between. And we continue to do the same, 1 stitch knit, 1 stitch purl for the 1x1 ribbon. If it's knit stitch below, we do the knit. If it's purl, we do the purl. And at the same time, we try to hide the other color yarn and carry it over. This step is a little bit time consuming. So the tip is to get the tension right. If it's too loose, you will see the second color easily. You might want to give it a tug regularly so it's tighter. And to change to white color, we do it the same way. We'll have the black color yarn on the top so it can get caught and hidden in between, and knit or purl with white color yarn. That's the active yarn. So we just keep following the chart for the black keys. We will have 2 rows that's half black, half white, and the third row or the middle row will be black only. And then we'll do 2 rows of half black and half white, and 1 row of white color but carrying the black color, so the black color will return to the black key side. Between the black keys, there are a few rows of just white color, so you don't have to carry the yarns, but I will still carry the black yarn at least in the first stitch, so it travels up and I don't have to cut the yarn later. So that's how I knit the piano scarf. The sample here is not perfect. You can see the line in the second key is off and the stitches are not even. But you get the idea, and it's really not that hard to make. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.